everybody? It's your boy Dvilledi, aka Uncle on the Sticks. Today we're gonna react to Doorbell Mania. Would you fall for this? Caught on Ring camera, y'all. Shout out to Doorbell Mania.
Are you Deborah Law?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Your ID for it? Dude.
Why he didn't just walk up try to snatch? Just walk up try to snatch the package. That's bold as hell. Like you can't even wait for Buddy to put it down. You just gonna try to strong arm OG. OG ain't going though.
Dude, this ain't no package. What are you doing?
It's my package, bro.
Dude, you live here?
Let me open the door.
No, open the door for me.
Look at my mom right there. Hey, Deborah. Yeah, someone was trying to get it, so it was a dude down there.
He trying to play it off. He probably don't even know this lady.
And I had told him to come bring it to you, knock on your door. So
Are you Deborah Law?
Yeah.
Is this your son?
No. I'm sorry. Could you say that again? Somebody was trying to take my package?
down there.
And it's a white lady.
I was making sure he delivered it.
Oh, thanks, you guys. Huh.
What y'all think that Miss Deborah had ordered? What you think was in that package? Pull that fire. He about to crash out. He buzzing.
Wildin'.
Yeah.
Wildin'.
That's just stupid. Why would you do that? Then he gonna go home. He gonna go back and he gonna tell everybody they spent the block. Like they edited. We went around there, we edited out. We went around there, we edited out. Y'all ain't do nothing. I'm shorty. Look at them lashes, man. To each his own. To each his own. But I have no understanding of why somebody want to walk around with that on their face. It's got to be heavy. You ever just get something just tap you, fall in your eyelash, and it just be disturbing as hell. I don't get it. I guess it ain't for me to get neither.
Yeah.
Come here.
Who you looking for?
She's faded.
I caught a fly in front of y'all house.
She's sauced.
Well, I'll call the police for you.
I'm saying, can someone help me real quick?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Cheeks out. For what it's worth, man. I know she's sauced up, so it probably wouldn't help her too much anyway. Ladies. Y'all need to know how to change the tire. My lady, she knows how to change the tire. Is she gonna change it? Probably more likely not. She's gonna call me to come change the tire. But in a situation where she absolutely needed to change that tire, she could change it. She 100% gonna call me and say, hey, my tire flat. And I'm gonna go change it. But if push came to shove, like for real, if push came to shove, she'll change that damn tire. Oh, and she on flat for real. I feel kind of sad for her now. She gonna mess up her rim and everything. Who that?
Please. Can you come in? I'm not gonna come in the house. Can you come in?
We're gonna get trouble. We live in a transitional house where our
I was saying, could you call her? I need to use the phone.
I'm sorry.
Why I ain't about to steal the bike? Leave them folk. That's a swing. Leave that swing alone. Hey, is that they crib? Two things about this. First and foremost, it's a sheriff car sitting in the yard. You gonna steal a bike from the sheriff. And then the young boys seen you and they running down on you. I wonder is that their house or just their neighbor, they just concerned neighbor. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all a story time right quick. One time, your boy Unc, I was a kid. I don't even think I had hit high school yet. I was probably 13, 14. And some guys that we didn't like came through our neighborhood on their bicycle, talking smack. So they went up. We didn't know where it was going, but we thought it was going to the grocery store. We followed them up to the grocery store. They went to Blockbuster. We done snatched their bikes, rolled back to the neighborhood, stuffed them. Old boy came back, and he's talking to me. He's like, "Hey, what y'all doing is like that? You talked to my cousin. He was talking to me. You talked to my..." I had no idea who his cousin was, but it did turn out that I was talking to his cousin. We was like I said, we were like middle school. You talked to my cousin, ain't that? You know what? Keep the bicycle. And they left, right? They lived on the west side. We was on the north side. So they walked, I guess, all the way back to the north side. A little later, another other dude come back with his mama. Pulls up on us with his mama. She's going off on us, talking about how much this bicycle costs. Y'all not finna get this bicycle. And she knew the homeboy's mama. So now we all in trouble. And we had to give him his bike back. She say she ain't care nothing about nobody else's bike. But y'all gonna give him his bike back. And we did, but we was young boys, we knew better, but we didn't do better. They finna swing on Cub. Look at her late. Damn, it's a lot of people. Everybody was outside. That is the sheriff house.
Y'all leave him alone.
Trying to steal who car?
We thought he was talking to Uncle James, but he had jumped on his bike.
It's a lot of people. Took that in, auntie. Yeah, he picked the wrong damn house to try to steal the bike that day. The wrong house. Wait a minute, this thing looking kind of... Hold up. Did he get away? He might have got away. If I seen all them people, I would have turned them heaters on too. What he got in his hand? Handcuff? He's like, I ain't got time for this shit. I ain't even on the clock. The hell? Spartan gas kick? Weak ass Spartan. Imagine there's a grown man getting kicked back down the stairs. It wasn't even no, that was one of them, I don't know, impulses. I guess his impulses got in because he ain't really want to kick him. Not tapping him that like. New Orleans. Oh, no, Pop. No, Pop. Let it go, Pop. Let it go, Pop. Oh, damn, Pop. Damn, Pop. Just let it go. Look, Pop back hurt. Neck hurt, knees hurt, pride hurt. Stockton, my daughter lives in Stockton.
Logo, crib, townhome logos, nigga, Westside Gangsta logos, Triple S logo, nigga, Triple S K logos, Big Conway.
He got to think he at his people house. He got to think he's somewhere where he's safe to be comfortable enough to spit them whack ass bars.
Big gang, Conway.
Oh, damn. Get out of here. They must have seen somebody. How you gonna hate from outside the club? Ah, that stick. If you grew up in the hood, we all know that legendary stick that you stick in that sliding door that was supposed to protect you from everything and everybody. We thought that stick was Fort Knox. We thought that stick was protected by Vipers. Stand back. Mama would have a fit if you didn't put a stick in that door. My sister lives in a gated community. I'm not even going to estimate how much her house would cost. I ain't pocket watching. But this is a nice house. This is a nice community. Guess what? They still got that damn stick in the door. I pushed the wrong button, man. Y'all, it's cool. I pushed the wrong button. But that stick, her stick wasn't long enough, see? Her stick wasn't long enough. Her stick was too short. Damn. Money fan. All the ones. That boy just flexed out $57.
Bruh.
I wonder if make sure you at the right house. If you're gonna do something like that, make sure you at the right house.
Why are you going? Where you go hard? Wait.
Bruh.
That's sad as hell, man. You heard Buddy was like, why are you doing that? Just senseless, just out, just ain't got nothing better to do but just cause trouble for no damn reason, just on the block. And then people wonder why when you get hit with that stigma, where everywhere you go, people look at you crazy. It's because of people like this, man. Watch, let me see. His homeboy is talking to him.
Bruh.
Get out of here, little bands. Smack the camera with disrespect. This is what it's on to say. Why are you doing that?
Wait.
Bruh.
Just bored. It cost them people hundreds of dollars. Just bored. The hell? Negative aggressive moving the power to my driveway instead of bagging it.
Bruh.
That was on his mind. How petty you got to be just to be sitting in the crib and letting a pile of leaves or hay or whatever, pine needles, whatever that is, just to be sitting there and be like, it's bothering you so damn bad, you know what, I'm just going to go out here and make a mess. L. Loser activities. It's Jake from State Farm.
help you?
Them glasses look creepy.
Hey, good afternoon. How you doing today?
Can I help
Hello?
you?
Oh, hey. So I'm just looking
Yeah.
I'm looking for Long Wayne.
Long Wayne.
Upstairs.
Oh, I don't really see a bell for upstairs.
Wait. There's actually somebody there that named Long Wayne? What would make you carry a baby for 10 months? You had 10 months to think about it. You carry this baby, you're nurturing it, you make sure you're eating the right things, you're not drinking, you're not smoking, you're doing everything you can to bring this healthy baby into existence, into this world. And then you push it out through however many hours of labor, you push it out, or you got the cesarean, whatever it took. You got this baby into the world and you picked it up and you looked at it and you looked at the father and you looked at it and you looked at the father. You thought about your generations of your ancestors and you said, we're going to name him Long Wayne. Shout out to Lil Wayne. He gonna catch hella jokes. I know he caught hella jokes his whole life. He's catching hella jokes to this day. But just imagine that though. On the flip side, it's kind of hard because, pause. Imagine if he played sports. Coming to the stage. Starting point guard. At 6'2" Long Wayne. I might be wrong. His parents might be GOAT. Daddy did that. Daddy definitely did that.
Upstairs. So how would that work? Like, would I just open the door and just go in?
He asked.
Hello?
I don't trust nobody with a fuzzy hood. Intrusive thoughts.
Let me call you back home. Oh, shit.
Is that Popo? What are you doing? From my NYPD versus minors. This haircut trash. Intrusive thoughts. Oh, them youngins rolling up on him. Let my mans go. Let my mans go. Get your hands off my mans. He didn't even do nothing. I'm recording. I'm gonna put you on TikTok. You going famous. I'm gonna make you famous. Yeah. Yeah. Take the badge off. I throw hands with you. Take the badge off. Fight me like a man. You a coward. You a coward. Oh. You gonna put your hands on me? You gonna put your hands on me? Word to my mothers. Word to mothers. I'm trying not to cuss. I'm recording this. I'm gonna put this on TikTok. I'm gonna put this on the internet, dummy. You gonna go on young boy ready to throw hands. No, he don't. His hands in his pocket. He don't really, don't nobody really want to throw, or is he? Don't nobody really want to throw hands out of their hands in their pocket. Backing up and talking.
I want to say something.
Is it just me, or does everybody feel like there should be like some type of weight requirement for police officers? Like, is it a weight requirement? Because I see a lot of overweight police officers, a lot of high calorie individuals as police officers. And I'm wondering why, because like I know in the military there's regulations to like what size you could be, like height and weight and all this. Like if they don't have that, they need that. And then because like who was, let's be honest. Without the power of that badge and all that Batman equipment he got on his belt, if it really came down to it, these young boys would probably wash this officer up. They probably put hands and feet to him. If it wasn't under the threat of this is a police officer, they probably do him dirty. These young boys would do him dirty, both of them. And if they ran, which one of them was going to catch him? Neither one of them.
It's fine.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to put the hands on.
But they won't just stay. Like, he's not even touching the head.
They know too. That's why they're being so aggressive. That's why they're being so aggressive to try to maintain control of the situation, because they don't have control. That's why they're being so aggressive to try to get control of the situation, because they know if it really came down to it, these young boys will put hands and feet to them. He gonna fall. The one they're arguing with, he gonna fall down immediately. As soon as the tussle starts, he's falling down. He gonna do that fat guy, and then he gonna fall. Why they? Is he still going? Now, I will say on the other hand, this officer is showing a lot of restraint. He's pushing the young boys, but he is showing a lot of restraint, because there's a lot of officers out there that this would have been escalated even further than this. I hadn't seen him one time reach for his firearm. He hadn't pulled out no mace. He hadn't pulled out no tasers. He's just going back and forth with them and creating some distance when he feels the need to create distance. I know people are going to be like, because part of me is like, why you got to put your hands on. But, I mean, you do have to, when you're trying to maintain the perimeter, bro, you do kind of have to, if somebody gets up on you, they getting too close, you got to create some distance. He's really using minimal force, if I'm being honest about it. He ain't really ODing. He ain't hit nobody. He ain't pulled out no weapon. He ain't tried to handcuff nobody. None of that. But because the situation is out of control right now, these officers are not in control of this situation right now.
I'm about to look out the window.
Well, that was it, man. Would you fall for this? Caught on Ring camera. Appreciate y'all stopping by, checking it out. Y'all check out Doorbell Mania. If you like the video, if you're feeling out, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. We out of here.